Ki Khubor Ka Bate Se TV. Sophistication meets style. The stylish trendsetter Tata Curve SUV is in town. India's first coupe SUV is now in Shillong. Net Foodish. Ordar Mapi, Ninwan Ramangi, Hakerdob Ying Jongpi.
Menteri Ketenaga Buli Putih ke Sorkar Jela. Rakam sangma ulakentu yakitu ki bamkwa banpen yakador jong menteri rangba ke Jela. Konrad kongkal sangma balashon haka guidebook na ka benta ki khana school ki bayakun yaga examine secondary school living certificate 2025 ya ka balatip kum ka CM impact a guidebook for SSLC examination 2025 kila ban chusopno da ka jingsop kot nalor. Haka jekran bagilar pathai kubor, haka khatsan terik urisau arajar psau, urakam ulakentu, yaki bapersya bakim day banpej yaka dorjong menteri rangba, henrei ki day banpej bat ban bishar yaka ei kabalatho haka ni kakot yarap na kabenta ki khana school.
We have a regular routine, we have a regular textbook. This is a routine matter. But this is a special program, special designed, the program, so that it will reach out to every. Not only this textbook, we'll be having a pre-board examination, pre-board classes, special tuition classes in every institution, every perfect block-wise or location-wise. This program, is a larger picture, right? This has a multiple initiative, multiple program. It is not enough with this book. No, definitely not. It's just the beginning, right? This is the beginning. So we have more program than this. Distribution of books is not the in story of this. No, it's just the beginning. Under CM Impact Program, we'll be launching out various initiatives so that they will help out the students. Not only books, we'll be reaching out with special tuitions, special classes, special examination, pre-board examination, counseling to the students, counseling to the teachers, giving the orientation to the teachers, how to teach them, and we'll be having the program like how to set the question paper, how to evaluate question paper, how to set the question paper, how to evaluate, the various program it will include. The whole idea is to bring up, because the intervention is the need of the hour. There's nothing wrong, is there? Of course, we can delete also, right? But having the picture of 100% should not be any issue to anybody. So I'm just keeping saying, if you have any issue, just cover it. Get by the broad paper, just cover it. But don't cover the contents in the lines. That's my request. This textbook is not to read, not to talk about cover. They should stop looking at the cover. We have designed this textbook, this document, to read the inside, the contents. So I would advise them, those who don't want to take pride in your chief minister, those opposition leaders, those people who don't want to see your honorable chief minister, get a brown paper and cover it. But please don't cover the contents. I would advise every opposition, I would advise every students, don't look at the cover. Look at the inside. I would advise them, read line by line, chapter by chapter, comma by comma, word by word, and get it done. This is for you. We are not designed this book not to look at the cover. No, forget about the cover, right? Forget about the cover and cover it. If you don't feel pride in your honorable chief minister, if you don't want to see your honorable chief minister, cover it, but don't cover the contents. There is a whole formula. No, this is not the whole content. Why? They have their official textbook. It is just a guidebook, just a formula, just a guiding, idea, right? It is not. So this is like a help book only, right? This is not. This is something that books that to be followed. Read. Oh no, it is not. But it's some kind of ideas and kind of documents to help them out, right? So there are many books for the Shillong students. It may not work, but it will really work for those students who are weak, especially in the rural, right? So Shillong, if you talk about Shillong and the Joai and the Tura, our students are performing excellently well. They don't need any kind of additional what you call idea, additional guidebook, additional here and there. But this we have this, talk about a larger picture. Look, the bringing down the purpose of it is from rural district. Look at South Koreans, just the 31% pass in SSLC. Look at the Southwest Ampati district. Look at North Garo, right? So there are schools consecutively 0% in the last 3 years. I think something is better than nothing. So therefore, this may not be the perfect solution, right? But it will certainly help them, right? So when you are hungry, eat something. You may not get the good food from the 5-star hotel, but eat something. What is available? When you are hungry, even the red tea is good enough, right? So it will definitely help you. Look, there are 3 categories of students. There are 3 categories of students. Excellent students. Those who perform 90% above. There are many students like me, average students. I have never crossed beyond 80. So 60, 70, 80, those are the average students. There are many students who are below average, those who very struggle to secure 30%, right? Maybe the larger population is the one weaker, those struggling to cross 30%. This will definitely help to those older children, right? So we are talking at a bigger picture, because right now we are focusing on increasing the pass percentage, how to help our students. That's the problem, right? So if imagine 70 out of 100, I don't know if there is a 1 lakh students every year, if in a district there may be forget about Shillong and Tura and the Joy, they're a rural district whose percentage is just below 30%. Imagine 70 per 100 students fail every year. It will continue to add it more and more. So government has to be done. Therefore, we have adopted that the board exam will be held twice, and to make it easy for them, because there are many schools, institutions where they don't have a good teacher. They are not having a proper classes also. They will definitely have, and not only this, we are coming up more what you call the ideas now. They will, so that our students will be met, not easy, but will be more accessible easily, right? So there will be more available. There are many districts, there are many schools, they don't get a good textbook, good guidebooks, right? So suppose when you compare Shillong and Delhi is far better than Shillong. Delhi get good books, better books than Shillong, and Shillong is get far better than books than Bakmara and the Ampati here and there, right? This is like this. So therefore, this kind of initiative is definitely will have the students of larger section, which is where they are called, we cannot call it weaker, but the struggling, it will help the struggling students so that they will do better and they will perform better.